What's up, guys? Tony Ramirez here, and welcome to the garage. If you're into turning wrenches, fixing up cars, or just keeping your ride in top shape, you're in the right spot. I drop real-world tips, no fluff, just what actually works. So hit that like button, smash subscribe, and let's wrench smarter, not harder. All right, enough intro. Let's jump right in.
Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are diving into the world of EPC, which stands for Engineering, Procurement, and Construction. I'll be breaking down what EPC really means, exploring its crucial role in project management, and explaining how the entire operation works from start to finish. Whether you're new to the concept or looking to deepen your understanding, this video will provide you with valuable insights into the EPC process. So, let's get started. Find the best garage for your car maintenance. See Garages. The BSI box, for Boîtier de Servitude Intelligent, is an electronic management box. It manages your vehicle's electronic information and keeps it running smoothly. It's thanks to the BSI box that there are no electrical wires running through your vehicle's interior. Nevertheless, when the BSI box fails, your car encounters numerous problems. What is a car's BSI box? How do you know if the BSI is out of order? How do you test a BSI box? How to reprogram a BSI box? How to repair a BSI box? How much does a BSI box cost? Find the best garage for your car maintenance. See Garages. What is a car's BSI box? The BSI box stands for Boîtier de Servitude Intelligent, not to be confused with the BSM, Boîtier de Servitude Moteur. In English, it stands for Built-in System Interface. However, not all manufacturers use this term. While Peugeot and Citroën use the term BSI, Renault prefers to call it UCH, Unite to Control Habitacle, and Audi calls it Module Confort. However, they are the same electronic unit. The role of the BSI box is to centralize the vehicle's electronic information transmitted by the various sensors. It centralizes the data collected and transmits the information. For example, when you activate the blinker, the BSI receives the command and enables it to be executed, so that the blinker starts working. The BSI box is your car's brain. It reduces the number of electronic connections and interconnects the vehicle's various ECUs. The BSI box is at the heart of a system comprising power supplies, sensors which translate data, speed, temperature, etc. into electrical signals, ECUs. ECUs are rarely responsible for the problem. In general, it's the BSI box's connection elements that are the source of the fault. The BSI, Boîtier de Servitude Intelligent, box is an essential electronic component in some vehicles. It is responsible for managing various functions, such as lighting, electric windows, central locking systems, alarms and so on. If you suspect a malfunction in the BSI box, here are a few steps to test it. Check the symptoms, identify specific problems related to the vehicle's electrical functions. For example, lights that don't work, power windows that don't close properly, central locking controls that don't respond, and so on. These symptoms may indicate a potential problem with the BSI box. Check the fuses. Before testing the BSI box, first check the vehicle's fuses. A faulty fuse can cause electrical problems similar to those attributed to the BSI box. Make sure all relevant fuses are in good condition. How do you know if the BSI is out of order? Analyze fault codes. The diagnostic tool will allow you to interrogate the BSI box and retrieve stored fault codes. These codes will provide you with information on the specific problems encountered by the BSI box. Refer to your vehicle's specific repair manual or consult a professional to interpret the error codes. How do I reprogram a BSI box? Repairing a BSI, Boîtier de Servitude Intelligent, box can vary depending on the nature of the problem encountered and the feasibility of the repair. Here are some general steps to follow when attempting to repair a BSI box. Diagnose the problem before proceeding with any repairs. It is important to correctly diagnose the problem with the BSI box. Use an appropriate diagnostic tool to retrieve BSI box error codes and identify specific symptoms that may indicate a box failure. This will give you a better understanding of what needs to be repaired. Check connections. Connection problems can be common in BSI enclosures. Make sure all electrical connections are clean, tight and corrosion-free. Also check the condition of wires and wiring harnesses connected to the BSI enclosure. If any connections are loose or damaged, repair or replace them as necessary, resetting the BSI box, in some cases, a simple reset of the BSI box can solve certain problems. Consult the vehicle owner's manual or specific manufacturer's instructions for the appropriate reset procedure. This may involve disconnecting the vehicle's battery for a period of time, or using a diagnostic tool to perform the reset, replace faulty components if the problem is identified as being linked to a specific component of the BSI package, such as a faulty relay or integrated circuit. It may be necessary to replace this component. However, this requires advanced electronic skills and knowledge of the specific features of the BSI box. In this case, we recommend that you call in a qualified professional to carry out the repair, or contact the manufacturer for advice on repairing or replacing components. Complete replacement of the BSI enclosure. If repair of individual components is not possible or not effective, it may be necessary to replace the BSI enclosure completely. This may involve purchasing a new BSI enclosure from the manufacturer or reliable sources of spare parts. Be sure to follow the proper procedures for removal and installation of the BSI box, as this may vary according to vehicle make and model. Find the best garage for your car maintenance. See garages. In conclusion, understanding the concept of engineering, procurement, and construction, or EPC, is crucial for anyone involved in large-scale projects. The EPC framework not only defines the roles and responsibilities of various stakeholders but also streamlines operations to ensure efficiency and effectiveness. By integrating design, procurement, and construction into a cohesive process, EPC plays a vital role in delivering projects on time and within budget. As industries continue to evolve, the importance of a well-structured EPC approach will only grow, making it an essential element in the successful execution of complex projects. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has provided you with valuable insights into the world of EPC.